Hello, everybody. This is your coach, Dr. Uma here, your health and metabolic and hormone balance coach. So, today we have somebody with us who is very special and who has been dealing with persistent skin issues, acidity, and indigestion, conditions that many of us silently struggle with. Okay, and to manage the discomfort, she also had to rely on antacids. And as someone from a medical field, Dr. Neha deeply value the importance of taking care of our own health. And today she is here with us to share her experiences, her challenges, and learning so that we all can get inspired. Okay, and I'm glad to welcome Dr. Neha here. So, welcome, Dr. Neha, and I would
Thank you so
like
much.
to, yeah, I would like to ask you, from which part of India you belong to, what you do. Tell a little bit about yourself so that the people who are listening to you can know more about you and can connect with you better.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Thank you
Yeah,
so much for inviting me.
yeah,
Basically, I'm Dr. Neha Zamilkar from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. I'm a private practitioner doing practice in Kolhapur right now.
very
And I'm
nice.
a doctor, anesthesiologist by profession.
Very nice. So, Dr. Neha, now tell me what challenges you were facing before joining Fume, and did you try some other programs as well before joining Fume?
Yes. Uh, After my pregnancy, my daughter born, I was having, as usual, post-pregnancy
Yeah.
weight gain is there. So I was suffering from lot of issues, gastroesophageal reflux problem, acidity problem. I was not able to reduce the weight, and after around 6 years, I was trying small things regarding diet and exercise, but it was not consistent at all.
Mm-hmm.
So I came across the Fume uh, uh, Institute. I have seen your advertisement on Insta and Facebook, and I joined your Fume system. And yes, today I'm here.
Very nice. So, what
Yes.
other issues apart from the weight? What other issues you were facing?
I was having dry skin issues, acidity problem, gastroesophageal problem,
Mm-hmm.
and basically I'm running 40 now, and after 40 things gonna be increased now henceforth.
Yes.
So better to take care of right now. That's why I was keen of having good health.
Yeah. So, before you coming across Fume, right? Did you try anything else?
Yes, I was trying small courses from the YouTube only, but it was not consistent. Uh, because of some, they were giving some exotic food items to
Mm-hmm.
try out, and some extra exercises or whatever 1 hour, 2 hour more you do, you will get the results like that. And every weekly, because of doctor profession, being in a doctor profession, we don't have much time to spend on our exercise times.
Exactly.
So that was actually important thing from my side. I was
Mm-hmm.
doing all the exercise at home only.
Yeah.
Um, we don't get the time to go outside in the gym and do the workout. So
Yes.
I was doing all the exercise in at home only.
Very good. Very good.
Yes.
So, Dr. Neha, now tell me how Fume had helped you to lose your fat without strict diet and going to the gym now.
Yes. Um, Diet plan was very good. I haven't suffered any metabolic issues or problems. Just no any additional dehydration or any other problem because of uh, diet change in diet. I was using all the household things, whatever available in our local market. That was very nice thing, and I was uh, I like the way you give the diet to your members, ma'am. That it has include lot of vegetables and fruits. Uh, basically, I love eating fruits from childhood, but somehow I have forgot to eat because of our lifestyle and all
Yeah,
that.
yes.
So, and
So,
because of that, my I can tell my immunity has increased a lot because
very,
of that.
very good.
And
अभी आपका
exercise
स्किन
point of
इश्यूज,
view,
आपका स्किन इश्यूज, आपका जो ब्लोटिंग इश्यूज था, उसका क्या रिजल्ट है अभी, आउटकम क्या क्या
yes,
मिला
yes,
आपको?
that bloating problem has gone.
ओके,
My face has changed a lot. What जब मैं before joining the Fume
या
and after right now it has changed a lot. Everyone is appreciating me for my work and my health. Uh,
एब्सोल्युटली यस,
Everyone is proud of me actually from my family, all my family members.
या
They are asking me what are you doing and all.
एब्सोल्युटली
And
एब्सोल्युटली.
yes,
तो बीइंग
and from
ऑफ कोर्स बीइंग अ डॉक्टर आपके लिए फिट होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि जब आप फिट होगे यू कैन गिव दैट हेल्थ टू द पेशेंट, एंड पेशेंट विल आल्सो आफ्टर
yes,
सीइंग यू विल गेट होप कि अरे मैडम इतनी फिट है, तो यू नो मैडम हमको भी फिट कर ही देगी.
yes, yes, yes.
राइट,
And that lot of problems are so increased in medical professionals also. They
यस,
have heart problem, hypertension, diabetes, more than all above 40 issues are increasing now. That's
यस,
why we have to take care of our health also.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली. तो अभी जो है आपको फिर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिलने चालू हो गए हैं कि व्हाट यू हैव डन, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, एंड यू हैव ड्रॉप्ड अराउंड 10 kgs एंड 4 inches फ्रॉम योर वेस्ट. तो अभी आपके कपड़े तो बिल्कुल लूज हो गए होंगे. तो टेल मी मोर अबाउट देम कि अभी क्या शॉपिंग चल रही है और क्या आपको यू नो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिल रहे हैं.
Yes, just 15 days back, we had a get together of our friends. My school friend has met me after a long time, after around 7 to 8 months. She was saying, Neha, you are looking like a child only. Because
कॉलेज गोइंग, हाँ.
I improved, yeah, college friend. She was my school friend also, college friend also. Same city, from same city, and
अच्छा,
we met around 15 days back, and she's now in another city practicing. Now she also appreciating me a lot,
वेरी नाइस.
and जो भी आपको अगर एक रिजल्ट मिलने के बाद अप्रिशिएट करता है तो यू फील वेरी हैप्पी एंड वेरी
एब्सोल्युटली,
कॉन्फिडेंट. यस,
एब्सोल्युटली, एब्सोल्युटली. तो जो आपने अभी आपको जो रिजल्ट्स मिले हैं, तो डू यू थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू सस्टेन दोज रिजल्ट्स? आपने कुछ ऐसा कुछ मिराकुलस मैजिकल कुछ काम किया है आपने इस जर्नी के दौरान, या फिर इट वाज अ स्मॉल स्मॉल कंसिस्टेंट हैबिट्स विच यू हैव वर्कड ऑन, जो आपको लगता है कि वो सस्टेन और मेंटेन आप कर पाओगे?
yes. I love the fact that मेरा मेजर एम वही वही था कि मैम आई वांट टू सस्टेन दैट फैट लॉस.
यस,
अगर आई अचीव माय आइडियल वेट देन इधर उधर एक दो 1 or 2 kg दैट इज सफिशिएंट टू गेट, बट वो मेंटेन करना था. तो जो भी आप जो डाइट, inflammatory anti-inflammatory diet or lot of diets, type of diets are there that have helped me a lot. और वो मैं consistently मेरे डाइट में भी यूज करती हूँ अभी. दैट ग्रीन जूसेस, एंटी इंफ्लेमेटरी डाइट,
या
और वो अजवाइन वाटर, क्यूमीन वाटर, जो भी है वो सब इट हैज हेल्प मी अ लॉट टू बूस्ट माय मेटाबॉलिज्म. और डेफिनेटली आई विल कंटिन्यू दैट henceforth.
absolutely, absolutely. See, it's a health is all about a continuous journey, and we always
Yes,
have to work towards our health, and that is how it will grow, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So Dr. Neha, any message you would like to give to the audience who are watching you right now, especially from a women perspective, अगर आप थोड़ा सा add on कर पाएं, and being a doctor
Yes,
yourself, आप इतने patients को देखते हैं, तो you know just few things if you would like to talk about.
yes. For all women more than above 40, we must take care of our health
Hmm.
henceforth. अभी तक किया नहीं तो लेकिन there is no late, we can start anywhere. और you have to take care of your health more than 40 एज में जो women है यहाँ पे. Or I would like to tell you that be consistent in your diet, in your exercise. Small things makes uh, makes a lot.
Yeah,
वो
yeah.
बहुत डिफरेंस बनाते जाते हैं आपके लाइफ में. तो you can do exercise at your home at with your own space. 30 minutes of exercise also matters a lot. और डाइट भी आप जो भी लोकल मार्केट में वेजिटेबल फ्रूट्स जो भी अवेलेबल है वो इंक्लूड करके आप डाइट कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट above 40 for women and men also. And
Yeah.
women it is more important because we have a stressful life because of homework and professional life, personal life, children's, all of that. Stress is more in women's life.
Yeah.
So we need to take care of our health and be consistent with your all the things, whatever you do, and be positive for everything. Be energetic. You will get whatever
Yes.
your goal.
And Dr. Neha, throw some light on the time management also. कि कैसे थोड़ा सा हम अपने लिए टाइम निकाल सकते हैं, कहाँ कहाँ पे पॉकेट्स हैं, उन पॉकेट्स में से हम चुरा सकते हैं टाइम अपने लिए.
Yes. Throughout the day, I have a busy schedule. Actually, I'm a
Yes.
private practitioner. Though we have a hospital nearby our place,
Yeah.
still I have a daughter. वो उसका स्कूल टाइमिंग, उसका लंच टाइमिंग वो मैनेज करके थोड़ा थोड़ा मैं मतलब आफ्टर लंच, after dinner, you can walk for at least 30 minutes. You can, or if early in the morning, you can get up early in the morning, you can have 30 minutes of exercise with dumbbells. 3 to 4 days of week, it helps you a lot. Strength training.
Yeah.
And I was doing 30 minutes to 45 minutes walk every day. My aim was to complete around 10,000 steps every day. कभी कभी नहीं होता था, फिर भी I was managed to do it before when I generally go to sleep at around 11 p.m. So before that, I was able to complete my 10,000 or at least 5 to 6,000 steps along with the strength training.
तो डॉक्टर नेहा, आपने अपने लिए गोल बनाया हुआ था कि मुझे 5 से 10,000 स्टेप्स करने ही है, या आप फर्स्ट डे से ही 10,000 कर रहे थे, या ग्रेजुअली आपने इंक्रीज करा?
Not first from first day. I have increased it gradually. Rather, first 1 to 2 months, I was not able to get the results because थोड़ा consistency में मैं कम पड़ रही थी. Because of my accountability partners and all, Maheshwari ma'am, Jyoti ma'am, they have supported me a lot. So I got stimulus from there also. So when I started doing, I was getting results very faster. So I got the idea. So you do the exercise, you will get the results.
Yes. Yes.
Every day you just do the 15 to 20 minutes exercise, you will get the results.
Yeah. तो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम का जो आपसे कनेक्टेड रहे, वो भी बहुत, एक इकोसिस्टम जो है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yeah. Very nice, Dr. Neha. Thank you for sharing such an inspiring things, that how step by step we can move forward. We do not have to give up, when we don't see the results, but being consistent with the things definitely gives the results. So that's the best thing we all can get from this entire talk. And I hope whoever is watching this right now have got the inspiration to move forward, that when Dr. Neha, with such a busy schedule, running her own hospital, can do it, can take out those small pockets of time for our own health, we all can do it, and we all can be fit. Yes. Thank you so much, Dr. Neha. Yeah.
Thank you.